Hello there, my name is Sunil Yadav. In last lecture, we have seen like this error, like key serialization error. Like here you can see like class cast exception. String cannot be cast to class string. So this is like byte array serialization issue is happening. So how we can fix it? Because why this error is coming? Because I am using set header as a message key, and I am passing value of string. So you're not able to serialize it because this is serializing trying to byte array serialization in a key by default. So we need to enable the option. This option I'm going to use it. Like we need to add cloud stream Kafka bindings with the generate output this producer with configuration like string serialization. So once you do that, you need to build it again. So let me build again this project. It will take couple of minutes. So basically this is, if you see the binding here, the Spring Cloud Stream Kafka binding, under that part you need to put this part, otherwise it's not going to be effect. And here we can see that this is binding. So two level of binding in stream you have Kafka level bindings and stream level bindings here. So we need to use Kafka level bindings if you want to use key serialization or value serialization, otherwise it will not going to impact. So once this is build is done, you will see I'm able to start the producer again, because in that case the producer going to use the string serialization, org apache kafka common serialization string serialization for the message key. So while build is taking time, I think it will take a couple of minutes. So please refer this page and go through all the details. It's mentioned really good article. You can read it properly and understand all these details, how you can use partition key and how you can use the message key. So the simple solution is use the message key if you don't want it to do things complex thing, because if the message has a key, then using the hash of this key by computing the partition. If the message does not have the key, then it will assign using a round robin strategy. So if you're not putting message key, is going to use the round robin strategy. Starting the Kafka client 2.4 onwards, there are some additional complexity to keep in mind. If the record does not carry the partition information, or if the record is missing a key, then starting from Kafka 2.4, it will use sticky partitions instead of round robin strategy. In a nutshell, sticky partitions are used to minimize the latency by sticking the record to a partition or group of partition. More information we can refer here. Let me see. Now it's done. Let us start the producer. And my consumer is already running. So let's see. So just a minute. Yeah. So now I'm not getting that error. Now you can see sending foo or h. Let's see the same partition is going to be. So foo fo is going to partition 3, and f is, if you see the f is going to same partition 3 and partition 3, right? So it's easy, right? Use the message key if you don't care about the partition for yourself to manage. Let's keep it internally is going to manage by message key itself. So this is really helpful, right? If you wanted to assign that particular record to go to one partition, so up to you if you wanted to use partition key or message key to utilize this feature, enable this feature. So thank you so much for your time. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.